Hi friends, welcome back to Authentic Kitchen. Today we'll be learning how to make Iyengar Puliyogre Gojju. Let's get started. You need 3 tablespoons of white till, 2.5 tablespoons of sambar powder. I'll be putting the sambar powder recipe in the description section. This is the main recipe and it would be great if you guys can use the same sambar powder recipe. 4 tablespoons of dry coconut which is grated, 1.5 tablespoon of salt and 4 balls of tamarind. So let me show you how much we are using. So this is the consistency of the balls. So you need 4 balls like this. You need hing or asafoetida, normal any kind of oil and 3 tablespoons of jaggery. For tadka, we'll be using mustard seeds, jeera, urad dal, chana dal, some amount of groundnuts, curry leaves, red chilies and turmeric and asafoetida. Let's get started, friends. To start with, you need to soak the tamarind in water and basically put it in the oven for about 1 minute so that the tamarind becomes little soft and we can extract the tamarind pulp out of it. You can use hot water too and soak the tamarind so that the tamarind becomes soft and we can use the tamarind pulp. As you can see here, we are trying to extract the tamarind pulp. You can see we have got at least one small jar of tamarind water. In the pan you need to dry fry the white till. You need to fry until you get a nice aroma. Keep it aside. You need to remove the white till once it is fried, and to the same pan add the tamarind water. We need to wait until the tamarind water gets boiled. You will get basically a boiled bubbles. You need to wait until then. So to this you need to add 1 tablespoon of oil. We have used canola oil here. Let's wait for it to boil. You can see the tamarind water has starting to boil. You need to add 1 spoon of turmeric to this.
Half spoon sambar powder.
You need to add sambar powder.
Bella.
Jaggery. Salt.
ಕುದೀತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಪೌಡರ್ ಮಾಡು. ಎಳ್ಳು ಒಣ ಕೊಬ್ಬರಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
It needs to boil. All this mixture has to boil.
ಒಂದು ಟಪ್ ಅಂತ.
You can see the mixture is getting boiled here. It needs to slightly thicken up. You can see the mixture is boiling and slightly getting thickened. While this is getting boiled, you need to add white till.
ತಿಲ್ ಒಂದು ರೌಂಡ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಕೊಬ್ಬರಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ.
White till into the mixer. Once till is powdered, you need to add the dry coconut powder to the mixer and grind it. Here you can see the tamarind mixture is boiling and it's slightly getting thicker. And the mixture of white till and dry coconut is ready as well. The tamarind mixture is reducing slightly and it's getting thicker. We have taken at least 10 minutes for this mixture to get boiled. While this is getting boiled, we are preparing for the tadka. You need to add 2 tablespoons of oil for the tadka. Iyengar Puliyogare Gojju is being liked by many people, including my friends, and many of them have asked me for this recipe. So to all my friends, here you go. The tadka oil is heated up. Adding all the tadka ingredients.
ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು.
Yeah. So to the tadka, you can add around 1 teaspoon of hing.
ಸ್ಮಾಲ್
The groundnuts and the chana dal and urad dal has to be fried, and you need to get a reddish color. That is when the tadka is ready. So to this you need to add red chilies. Finally at the last. You can see the tamarind mixture. It's getting thicker and it is reducing the quantity. That is when you need to add the mixture of coconut and white till, whatever was grinded. When the tadka is getting ready, you can see the Puliyogare Gojju is getting ready. It is completely getting thicker, and the consistency is, you can see the consistency, it is little thicker, and it's time to add the tadka. So authentic Puliyogare Gojju is ready.
1 week ಇರುತ್ತಂತ 1 week ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
This stays up to 1 week or more if it is kept in an airtight container or any other containers. You can keep it in a fridge if you want to. It's getting thicker.
ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
Thank you so much, Mommy, for teaching us this recipe. Thank you, friends. Hope you like it. Thank you. Bye.